So what exactly is budgeting? Picture this: you're planning a road trip. Before you hit the road, you map out your route, estimate the distance, and figure out how much gases you will need to get there. Budgeting is just like that. But for your money, you plan how much money you have coming in and how much you want to spend on different things. This way, you make sure you are not overspending and overreaching your financial goals. Budgeting process for beginners. Now you are probably wondering, how do I start budgeting? It's actually easier than you think. Let me give you a real world example. Let's say you earn 3,000 a month. First, you make a list of all your expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, transportation, food, entertainment, and shopping. Let's say those expenses total 2,700 a month. That means you have 300 left over each month. With this information, you can make a plan for your money and allocate the extra 300 towards reaching your financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt or do an investment. So why is budgeting so important? For starters, it helps you take control of your finances and avoid overspending. Plus, it can help you save money and reach your financial goals faster. And let's not forget the peace of mind it brings, knowing that you have a plan in place to make the most out of your money. So there you have it, a quick and easy introduction to budgeting. By following these simple steps, you will be well on your way to taking control of your finances and living the life you have always dreamed of. Please make sure to subscribe